My name is Michael Johnson. I'm the owner and operator of Cen-Tex Smokers in Luling, Texas. Luling is a little bit different in being one of the first boom towns in the state. Growing up, generally on the weekends, I got sent to work with my dad to give my mom a break. And he did oil field fabrication. I would be using it as a jungle gym. When I was about 6, my dad started teaching me how to weld. He let me make mistakes and, figuring out something was out of square or not right or wouldn't work. That's how you learn. My dad just is he raised me to, if your stuff is good, you don't have to tell nobody it's good. They'll tell you. I'm not a pitmaster. I don't call myself a pitmaster, but I do joke with my customers often that I could be, because I pretty much work pitmaster hours. I'm here 3, 4 in the morning, more times than not. It's not work to me, just like it's not work to them. You see it in the product, barbecue or smokers, that I care, that the cooks care. That's why I took probably almost 2 years before I ever built my first pit, just talking to pitmasters. Every detail is there for a reason. You can fine tune that pit to do whatever you want. There's no shortcuts, there's no assembly line. If it has a Cen-Tex Smokers logo on it, it came through these hands, my dad's hands. It's all about the quality. If it's not quality, we start over.